Look, we're just here watching the man put this puppy together.
He's got a lot to learn
on
from
there, and they're there. One day I want to be as good as him.
Hey guys, welcome back to Phantom Brothers. Today I'm actually gonna be doing the brake change in my car, the front brakes, as promised. And I'm at work, so I have to go get them at home because they're at home. But today it's just gonna be me. Jeff won't be in the video because, you know, like he said before, we have different schedules. He has a different job than me, so there's probably gonna be a couple of videos like this. But most of the time, it's gonna be me and him together. So yeah, I just had to go get him real quick, and later today after I'm done work, I'm gonna film the process of how to change the front brakes. My friend Elliot, he's a mechanic, he's gonna be helping me out, and we're gonna film how to do it. Hope you guys enjoy. I'm actually kind of glad we're doing this today because compared to the past couple of days, it's actually warm. We're at like -6, which is not too bad. The snow is actually melting, which is really nice. And although we're gonna be doing this inside a shop, I don't know if there's anybody out there like me, but I seem to function better in warmer temperatures. I hate the cold, like I really don't like it. I'm not a fan. So yeah, I enjoy doing things when it's warmer outside. I don't know if there's anybody out there like me, but if there is, let us know in the comments. See the car in the hoist, and there's Elliot, my boy.
How's it going?
All right, Elliot, so what are we going to do today, bro?
We're doing some performance brakes on the front end of your car here. Just to help with braking performance and improve unsprung weight in your car.
All right, that's cool. All right. Every time I see my car up on this hoist, man, I just get so hopeful. It goes up bad and it comes down better. Freaking professional, dude.
All right. Let's see what we got here. So we got to drop off the caliper, take off the rotor, replace the rotor, put new pads in. We already replaced your pads because your parts took forever to get here. Didn't want you driving around with metal on metal. All right. These are some sexy looking rotors.
Yeah, they're pretty heavy too. Oh yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah, so last time, I was gonna get my brakes installed by him before, but we found out that my brake pads were like completely gone. Like How gone were they?
Backing plates, man. Like, it was metal on metal. I was worried the pin in the caliper was gonna fall right out.
Yeah, like it was bad. So he was like, "No, you gotta get new brake pads today, like now."
These are
so I
some
had
cheap
to.
$20 Napa pads, I'm pretty sure, right?
What?
These are some cheap Napa pads, though, right?
These ones?
No, those ones.
Oh yeah, those ones are. Yeah. But no,
These ones are
are
fancy brakes.
by Hawk.
So we'll do this the right way since we're filming. Hang the caliper so it doesn't get fucked up on the hose here.
Okay. Oh, that's cool.
Here's your old brake pads.
I'm probably gonna sell those.
Yeah,
Yeah.
might as well.
So, if you're interested in some fairly new brake pads, just hit me up and I'll sell them to you for cheap. They're not very expensive.
Slap on Kijiji. Alright, let's double check we got the right parts here.
All right. We do. They came with a box.
It came with a box.
Yeah. Oh shit, those look hella fancy.
Oh yeah. Should be the same. Just better. So we gotta take off the caliper bracket here. It's a 17 though. And since I'm lazy, send it with the snap-on gun.
Snap-on just makes everything better, doesn't it?
Pretty much, right? Except for my bank account.
That's gonna be the new quote. Oh
Whoops.
no.
I guess I'll get you a new car.
Snap-on makes everything better except for your bank account. At Elliot 2020.
This might be embarrassing if it takes me a couple minutes.
They say he's an amazing baseball player.
Too bad Peyton's not here. Usually I can hear him yelling across the shop, "Put down your purse and hit it!" Alright. Option 2.
We
Missed
got
the big
it.
fucking money shot there, of course.
We got
Slap a little bolt in there, put some tension on here, and then one little whack will get it.
it. There we go. Look at that. Now to put on the new one. What does that do?
Cleans up all the flanges, gets all that rust off so you don't have any uneven vibrations.
Oh,
Don't have to clean all of it off, just the majority.
okay. Okay.
It's got a little hole in there so you can put the studs right through. And inhale it into your lungs.
Don't do that. That's not very safe. Who's joking?
Supposed to wear a mask, but I've heard enough for COVID. So. Cleaner than it was.
That looks good.
Good enough. Not just good, but good enough. That's our cruise customer's motto.
And slap it on the new one. Oh, baby. I got a phone call.
All good, Mr. Popular. It's hard being as famous as you do.
Oh my god, shut up.
Alright, so we cleaned up the little slots in here. We're going to lubricate these so that they don't get seized. Just use my fucking empty bottle for this stuff. So we can get any out there. There we go.
That's gross looking. That was nasty.
Oh, it tastes just as good.
Oh god.
Just a thin coat's all you really need. Some people glob it on, but then if you're globbing it on, it just attracts more dirt and then just gets all nasty. Glad you didn't see the back one just fall there. There we go. That's one. That's two. Want to get a shot in there?
Oh yeah.
It is so.
Looks cool.
Looks so much better. This stuff I think will go away, the paint, but you'll still have the hub. But I think the paint kind of just goes silver once you burn it off. I already have it right. Gotta lubricate these bad boys too. Keep everything going.
Okay. Oh yeah, what is that? What are those?
These are the sliding pins. So
Sliding
basically,
pins? Okay.
they move the caliper in and out, so they can press or move it around as needed.
Oh, okay, sounds good.
Yeah. And lubricate the sliders, pins, all this stuff here.
Damn.
I just put them on.
That's
We can edit that out.
Oh, I'll edit it good to that.
The last thing you have to do, not even snap on, but it'll work.
I thought everything was snap-on this tool.
Mostly Matco actually. Just my cool stuff snap on. Caliper press, if this one works. Perfect. So, boom, boom, in there. You gotta tighten it up. Because as your brakes wear, this thing comes out, then you have less room, and then we put new thick brakes in, and then you gotta press in.
Okay. Huh.
There we go. This one's already been moved because we did his last time, but we just tweak it a little bit here. That should be good.
Learn something new every day. I didn't know that you had to do that stuff, huh?
This going. These are kind of rusty. I'll clean them up on here. So here's the four. You see that thing just moving along?
It's a ghost.
Trying to cleanse my fingers too.
That's how Elliot washes his hands.
Basically. How do you know mechanics had sex? He's got 2 clean fingers.
Oh my god, that is gross. It's gonna get edited out. No, I'm just kidding.
Alright, double check everything here. So let's pull this here. These are the caliper bracket bolts. Tight. Tight. Or is it 14? Tight. Tight.
Cool.
All right. And that is a new brake.
Sweet.
High performance brakes. Next up's calipers though.
Yeah, oh yeah, no, I gotta get new
You
calipers.
gonna get the fancy Brembo ones?
Hell no, those are expensive. I don't have that type of money
How
yet.
much are they? I haven't
Um,
really looked at prices though.
I don't know. I've heard I've seen online, and they're like somewhere between like $2,000 and $17,000.
What?
Yeah, bro. But those are for like extreme racing, I think. I saw that
pretty
last
cool.
time.
You just get the little clip-on covers.
I don't like those covers. Those are ugly.
And people think you're rich.
All right, guys. Well, that was one of the brakes. You saw how it's done so now. I'm just gonna do like a fast forward of the next one. Alright guys, well that was it for today's video. My battery's about to die, so I'm just gonna tell you guys what we're about to do next. We're just gonna take it for a quick test drive and you know, break the brakes in. And then after that, I'm just gonna go head home and work on this video and edit it. So hopefully you guys have a good day and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Phantom Brothers signing out.